Hello, good morning team. So this is only a short presentation kung paano tayo mag-shop sa sarili nating online shop dito kay Livegood. So ang gagawin nyo lang is log in po kayo sa inyong account and then pag nakita nyo na po itong page po ninyo, just go on to shop. Okay, so nandito na tayo. Yan po yung makikita ninyo. Like for example, if you are going to buy this one, Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for Men. So sa atin po, member price is only $9.95. So ilagay nyo lang po is add to cart. Okay, mag-add to cart na po yan. And then, i-X nyo lang po. No? Continue shopping nyo lang. And then, halimbawa, gusto nyo rin bumili nitong complete plant-based protein. Order now and then add to cart. Okay, so dalawa na po yung nandun. So, continue shopping ulit. And then, for example, etong organic super greens and then $18 add to cart. Okay, and then, continue shopping ulit. Then, X nyo lang yan. And for example, bibili tayo ng coffee. You have order now. Sorry, this product is not currently available for customer in the Philippines. So sa ngayon po ay hindi pa siya available. And then this one as well, medyo inano po tayo, ni-restrict. And then amino acids, ito na lang po, no, add to cart natin siya. And then continue shopping ulit. And then for example, gusto nating bilhin tong Instant Youth. So, order now and then add to cart and then yan na po yan. So, ang gagawin na po natin, pagka po okay na tayo, ang gagawin na lang po is, punta po tayo dun sa ating cart. Makikita nyo po dyan. And then, ito na po yung mga in-order natin. And then, ito yung total price. Ang member savings mo is 51.95. Ang products mo ay 5. Ang member's price is 84.85. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po is mag-check out lang po kayo. Pag na-check out nyo po yan, dyan na po kayo pupunta. Okay? Yan. So, user info, payment with credit card, ganyan. And then, shipping info, yan na po yung ilalagay po na. Tatakloban ko po for the security reason. So, I understand that I will be charged $139.99 immediately kasi po kasama po yung shipping cost. Kasi po, ang shipping and handling natin is $55.14 for the product. So, sa ngayon po, medyo mahal yung ating shipping and handling because sa US pa po ito magagaling. But if we are going to have our own shipping center here in the Philippines, mura na po yan. Okay? So, it's $139.95. If you want to change the info, ilagay nyo lang po yung information nyo dito and then pay with credit card. Okay? And then change nyo lang po. No? So, ilalagay nyo po dyan yung security code and then shipping info. And then you just only need to click this. I understand that I will be charged $139.99 immediately and I agree to the Livegood policies and procedures as outlined here. So, just place your order and your order will be processed. But here in the Philippines, it will take 12 to 16 days bago po makarating. Okay? So, ganun lang po ang process natin kung paano po mag-order doon sa sarili nating shop. Okay? So, hope may natutunan po kayo dito sa video and pwede nyo po itong i-rely sa ating mga ka-team. And thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.